Scene 1. The video opens with a shot of the sun rising over a quiet neighborhood. We see a group of children waiting at a bus stop, looking up at the sky in wonder. One of them, a boy named Max, starts singing a catchy song about the solar system, as the other children join in. The song introduces each of the planets in turn, highlighting their unique features. Scene 2. As the children board the bus, the camera zooms out to show the Earth from space. The narrator, a friendly robot voice, explains that the solar system is made up of 8 planets, each with its own characteristics. The camera then zooms in on Mercury, the smallest planet, and we see a cartoon version of it spinning on its axis. The narrator explains that Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and that it has a very thin atmosphere. Scene 3. Next, we see Venus, the second planet from the Sun. It's shown as a rocky planet with a thick layer of clouds. The narrator explains that Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, with surface temperatures that can melt moon. Scene 4. The camera then pans over to Earth, which is introduced as the third planet from the Sun. We see a cartoon version of the Earth, with a smiling face and various features highlighted, oceans, continents, etc. The narrator explains that Earth is the only planet known to support life, and that it has a delicate balance of gases in its atmosphere. Scene 5. The video then moves on to Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. We see a cartoon version of Mars, with its rusty red surface and 2 small moons. The narrator explains that Mars is a cold and dry planet, but that scientists believe it may have once had liquid water and possibly even life. Scene 6. Next, we see Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. We see a cartoon version of Jupiter, with its colorful bands of gas and swirling storms. The narrator explains that Jupiter has a strong magnetic field and more moons than any other planet, at least 79, as of 2021. Scene 7. The video then moves on to Saturn, the 6th planet from the Sun. We see a cartoon version of Saturn, with its famous rings made of ice and rock. The narrator explains that Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system and that its rings are made up of countless individual particles. Scene 8. The video then shows Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun. We see a cartoon version of Uranus, with its blue-green color and unusual tilt. Its axis is almost parallel to its orbit. The narrator explains that Uranus has a very cold atmosphere and that it rotates on its side. Scene 9. Finally, the video introduces Neptune, the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun. We see a cartoon version of Neptune, with its deep blue color and storms similar to those on Jupiter. The narrator explains that Neptune is very cold and windy, and that it has a system of rings and at least 14 moons. Scene 10. As the song comes to an end, the camera zooms out again to show the entire solar system, with the 8 planets orbiting the Sun. The narrator summarizes some key facts about the solar system, such as its age, size, and the fact that it's just one of billions of star systems in the Milky Way galaxy. Scene 11. The video ends with the children getting off the bus and running to their school, still singing the solar system song.